guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet. So that is where you can find and follow me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. That's probably actually no, I'm lying. Twitter is my most active social media account, but you know, IG is where the popping pictures are. So I'm coming to you guys today to show you how I apply my wig. Basically, we're going to figure this out together because I really don't know how to apply wigs that well. This is the second wig that I've ever made. I actually won this hair from a giveaway, and I constructed a wig from it yesterday. It took me a very, very long time, so I'm going to try to figure this out, and I figured we might as well figure it out together, or you can at least follow me or watch me and learn from my mistakes. Something like that. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I have a mirror there so I can see what I'm doing. I've already applied a wig cap. As you can see, the wig, I received 4 bundles of curly hair. I'm not sure the links. I'll put all the info in the description box. I want to try Sade Watkins' method of making wigs without a closure, so I just did. I put all the 4 bundles on here. I only have like a little piece of hair left, so this is basically 4 bundles of hair. This is what it looks like right now. I have not washed it. I have not done anything to the hair, so we're going to do all of that right now. And since it is basically a full wig with no closure, I do have a little bit of leave out. But that's okay because it's curly hair, so I won't have to put any heat on my head. I already put a wig cap on my head. All I did was flat twist my hair and then put this wig cap on. So it's not the flattest it could be, but you know, listen, it was late last night. So I am going to take my wig and then apply it. The front of the wig is right here, and it looks like this. The track right there that denotes the front of the wig. Hopefully this cap fits because we did not try it on beforehand. And I just got bobby pins to put the wig on. So I'm trying to make sure it lines up with everything on my head. My mom's over here looking at me. She's trying not to, but she's really curious as to how this hair gonna look. So am I. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. I don't know if I needed all 4 bundles, but it's on there now. So y'all gotta let me style it before y'all be looking at me like that. I can read y'all face. So this is how the hair looks, completely saturated in water with absolutely no product in it. I am going to go ahead and go wash the hair. That's nasty. We'll wash it and condition it, and then I'll come back and we'll style it, okay? Alright, so I just washed and conditioned this hair, and this is what we're looking like now. So there is no product in the hair currently. I'm about to add some product though. So I'm not really sure what look I want to go for with this hair, but it does definitely need product. I can feel that the ends are a little drier than the roots. So I'm going to go in with Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to just, you know, lather this in the hair. So I'm taking this much, and I'm going to concentrate that on the ends of the hair. I forgot how good this product smells. I don't really use this on my natural hair anymore. There is a lot of hair on this wig, y'all. I've never used 4 bundles before, so especially of curly hair, a lot of hair. Okay, so since the hair is already pretty saturated, I'm going to go in with a little bit of mousse. Just try to hold this curl together. If any mousse was going to come out of this thing, which is not. Ain't no mousse in here, y'all. This is an empty bottle. Okay, so I put as much product. Ooh, it's wet. It's wet. It's wet. On my back. It's on my back. But I put as much product as I want to put in the hair. I am going to diffuse the hair because I want to see how it looks dry. So we have our diffuser here. I'm going to put it on low heat, well, high air. So the hair isn't dripping wet anymore. I'm going to let it air dry for the rest of the way, and then I'll come back for the final. Well, actually, this kind of is the final look. I guess I should take out my little leave out. I'm going to add a little product just because the sheen of my hair and the sheen of the weave is not the same. Weave is a lot shinier than my natural hair. My natural hair also seems a tad lighter, just like not noticeably, but just a tad lighter. So it's making it look almost ashy. So I definitely will come back and show y'all how my hair actually blends. So stay tuned for that, okay? Alright guys, so my hair still isn't fully dry, but it's as dry as it's going to get while the camera is still rolling. So this is what it looks like. I went ahead and I realized that a flat twist really wasn't the way to go for this style. So I went ahead and just wet the front part of my hair, my leave out. I wet it and I put some product in it just to moisturize it. And then I went in with some gel and basically did like a mini wash and go in the front of my head. And I feel like that blends a lot better than it was before. I'll definitely insert some pictures of when my hair is completely dry so you can see the final product. But I really, really love it so far. What do you guys think? I can't decide whether I want to cut the hair or not because, Simba, I was going for a curly bob. You know, the summer curly bob. This is a little longer than that, but I kind of like it. Hey. I kind of like it like this. Let me know what y'all think. Do you think I should bob it up, bob it out? Or should I leave it long like this? Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more hair videos, more weave videos, I'm trying to get into these wigs, y'all. But, bundles are expensive. So, again, shout out to Arnell for sending me these bundles. I actually won her giveaway. So, thank you again for that. Hooking a girl up. I will be rocking this for the rest of the summer because I just finished class, y'all. If y'all don't know, I'm finished with my grad program. So, I'm officially, got that master's degree with that MS behind my name or whatever. So this is basically my summer vacation because I've been in school all summer. Let me know what you guys think about the look I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.